Maha, we're given to understand that several Republican senators have now joined Democrats to pass a resolution that would block Donald Trump's tariffs on Canada, which is being seen as a rare rebuke of his trade policy just hours after he announced his sweeping plans.
Yes, absolutely. There are some Republicans like Paul Rand who have said that they are siding with that resolution that has been brought in by the Democrats. This is largely this provision is applicable in the emergency measures that were taken on the northern border of the United States that is still in place. And that provision allows for any Republican or Democratic representative to push in for blocking it. And that is exactly what the Democrats did. And some of the Republicans have sided with it as well. President Trump has responded badly to it, saying that this is some sort of a anti-Trump derangement syndrome that these people are suffering from. But clearly, this kind of blocking that we are seeing a bipartisan support for with regards to Canada from the US representatives, from their members of parliament, goes to show that they value the relationship between the US and Canada, and also believe that the trade between these countries, that is US, Canada, and even Mexico to a large part, has been going on seamlessly under the free trade agreement that they already had, which was earlier NAFTA, but that was renegotiated during the previous tenure of Donald Trump, which is now known as CUSMA in Canada. And they feel that things were going smoothly and seamlessly, and that this will be a big jolt to that. Now, as far as the current situation is concerned, Parmeshwar, let me point out that even though Canada and Mexico's name was missing from that list that Donald Trump had shown, there are 4 kinds of tariffs already in place for Canada. First, 25% tariff on all non-CUSMA compliant goods, 25% tariff on automobile sector, 10% tariff on energy sector. So these are already in place. Canada has said, and you just heard Mark Carney there saying that Canada will respond with purpose and with force. So we'll have to wait to see. Apart from the $30 billion goods that Canada has already said that they will levy tariffs on, are they going to go in for further $125 billion worth of goods and tariffing that in the sense of reciprocal tariffs? We'll have to wait to see what the announcement is going to be on that count.